Yo, talk about luck. Ever since my last video, well, my last Black Ops video, like, the game's frozen. Where's the controller? Ah, there, that's the middle button. Nothing's happening. So you know what that means. This one video. So if you have not been watching any of my last videos, say reset Xbox. I mean, why did I say Xbox? I mean PS3. First you turn it off. Okay. Then, yeah, you gotta wait for this to quit blinking. Or you could just do this. Hold on to the power button. Hear one beep, you should hear two beeps, then three beeps. Oh, there's one. Second one. Okay. Let go. Put your finger back on. Hold on tight. Bam. Bam, bam. And fuck, I forgot to grab a cord. Control, grab the UVS cord, so hold tight real fast, guys. I grabbed a UBS port. Well, no, technically I did. So once you get there, cord controller. You know, you get there, use your screen. Should look like, well, hold on. It should look like something else. You want to go to Restore Files, AK number 3. Go over, hit yes. Give it a little bit. I'll set the camera down actually. Now your TV should say no signal for a little while. That is normal. If you're using HDMI, then hit yes. If you're using AV, which just looks like this, which actually is crap. Like, legit, I've been playing with HDMI so long, I cannot stand looking at an AV. Then you want to hit yes. Then you pretty much hit okay. Then it should take a couple of seconds, actually, for this to load back up. So how's your guys' day been? Mine's been good. Okay. We'll just give it a little bit, that really does not take more than 30 seconds, in my opinion. Longest I've had it taken is about 4 minutes. Not like 5 minutes, actually. That be it. Well, because what happened was it froze in the middle of an update for Black Ops. No, for AW, and even though I've not made a video on AW, I will. I want to soon, but yeah, froze and took like 5 minutes. Oh yeah, all the PlayStation's accounts. I need to make a ghost video soon. Timeless skate. That actually was my old profile. I want to start like exploring maps actually. Yeah, that's how you reset your PlayStation. Oh. Actually, I have no reason to play these, but yeah. Actually, let's go ahead and show you guys how to change your background. Okay, let's go to... Let's go to my old profile. Yes. Now you have the standard PlayStation background, you don't like it. Well, you go down to settings, change theme. Now you can actually change this to air paint, which looks actually pretty cool. You know, I prefer download some images, but let's go to original colors. No, you can select any of these colors. Background, well, font. You can change the font and stuff. Yeah. Again, if you don't want to go back and see what all that is, you go down to change themes. It's right below system settings and right above data and time settings. Click on that. Now you can go down to the classic. Now this is classic. It doesn't have all the extra stuff, but keep it air paint. Oh yeah, you know the guy who was with me on the Ark videos? Yeah, this is his profile. Wait, on. Let's see what trophies he has on here. Oh, yeah. I forgot. Next time I connect to Wi-Fi, he's gonna get like freaking relinked. Oh yeah, then I got him those. But my profile is still superior compared to all others on this console. Even though I cannot fucking play a single Black Ops 2 campaign in one go on this, so I must get a new 360 or different. Just play it. Actually, you could get all these in one go, but in my opinion, probably don't buy her until you see it's probably will be the hardest one to get. Now I'll probably end up doing it. But yeah, I'll probably end up doing it on like a public server, just have them going around and I stay on the bus. Yeah. Yes, watch Netflix. Oh man, I got off task. Doesn't matter, I don't even have any internet connection for some reason. My console, it sucks. I'm gonna end this video off here. So, peace.